Hi everyone. In this video we're going to look at the standard deviation, so the formula that I've circled here, and looking in particular at this example with these numbers. So first of all, let's have a closer look at the equation. Now that symbol there is the sum, and that means adding them all up, and this is the x bar that I've circled here, which is the mean. Or we can write that as mu, or the expected value e of x. And down the bottom we've got n, which is simply the number of terms in our data. So looking at this example, first of all we need to work out for these numbers the mean, so x bar. So we're simply going to add them all up, excuse me, and divide that by the total number, which is 5. And that comes to, we'll just bring up the calculator very quickly, with lashings of brackets, and that's 8. Okay, so now we want to do the x minus x bar part, and for this it's really a good idea to draw up a table. So I'll put in our raw data values, or our raw possible outcomes. And on the next row down we'll have our x minus x bar calculation. So 2 minus 8 is negative 6, 5 minus 8 is negative 3, and so on. And then we need to square each of these numbers so that we can substitute that into our formula. So we'll take that and square it. So negative 6 squared is 36. 9, 1, 1, and 81. So now we have all those values, we can substitute them into our formula. So I'll just come down a bit and write out our formula. And remembering that that sum part of it means that we're adding all of the square parts together. And that's all over 5, and we're square rooting the whole lot. So once again, when we put this into our calculator, we want to be really careful about brackets and that sort of thing. So our answer here is 5.06 to 2dp. Just write that in. Okay, so just make sure you draw out a table when you're doing these sorts of problems, because it makes the substitution into your formula a lot easier. And otherwise I'll let you get on with exercise 26.02, but just like I said, remember to draw out that table to make it that much easier for yourselves. Thanks everyone.